Hey everyone, welcome to American English Every Day, the podcast where we make real American conversations super easy and fun. I'm Sarah, your friendly guide to sounding natural in the USA.
And I'm Mike. Today we're talking about something we all love, coffee. Specifically, how to order and chat at a coffee shop like a true American. No awkward moments, no textbook English.
Exactly. Whether you're in Starbucks, a local cafe, or grabbing a quick iced latte, these phrases will help you feel confident. This episode is perfect for beginners to intermediate learners. Let's dive in.
All right, imagine this. You walk into a busy coffee shop. The barista says, "Hi, what can I get started for you?"
Most common response? Not, I want a coffee. That's a bit direct. Americans say something softer and friendlier. Here are the top ways to order. Can I get a? This is the number one phrase, super polite and natural. Example, can I get a medium latte, please? Or, can I get a large iced coffee with oat milk?
Yeah, can I get sounds way better than give me or I want. It feels friendly.
Next, sizes. In the US, we say small or tall Starbucks, medium or grande, large or venti. And milk options with almond milk, extra hot, no whip, no whipped cream.
Don't forget custom orders. Americans love them. Can I get a caramel macchiato, extra caramel, half sweet?
Sure thing. Now the barista might ask, for here or to go?
For here means you're staying to sit and drink. To go means takeaway.
Just say, for here, please, or to go, thanks.
After ordering, they say, that'll be $5.75 or whatever. You pay and they ask, do you want a receipt or do you want to leave a tip? Tipping is normal. Even for coffee, many people add $1 to $2 on card or cash.
While waiting for your drink, small talk happens. Baristas are friendly. Common lines, barista, how's your day going? You, pretty good, thanks. How about you? Or, busy day today?
If you're meeting a friend there, more small talk. Hey, long time no see. Have you been? This place has such a cozy vibe, right? I love the smell of fresh coffee in the morning.
And if something's wrong, like wrong order, polite fix, excuse me, I ordered a latte, but this is a cappuccino. Could I get the right one, please? They usually say, no problem, and fix it fast.
Okay, let's practice a full conversation together. Repeat after me or shadow it.
Barista, hi, welcome. What can I get started for you?
Customer, hi, can I get a grande iced mocha with almond milk, no whip, please?
Barista, sure thing. For here or to go?
Customer, to go, thanks.
Barista, that'll be $6.20. Card or cash?
Customer, card, please.
Barista, here's your receipt. Your name for the order?
Sarah.
Cool, it'll be just a minute. How's your day so far?
Customer, good, thanks. A little busy, but coffee helps.
Barista, haha, I hear that. Have a great one.
See? Short, natural, friendly. No big sentences needed.
Key vocabulary to remember? Can I get a? Best ordering phrase. For here or to go? Extra hot, half sweet, oat milk. Small talk starters. How's it going? How's your day? Thanks so much. Have a good one. Bye phrases.
Pro tip, smile when you order. Americans love friendly energy. It makes everything easier.
All right, that's our 10-minute coffee shop masterclass. Try these phrases next time you're at a cafe, even if it's virtual practice at home. If you liked this, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop a comment. What's your go-to coffee order? Latte, black coffee, iced mocha?
See you next episode. We're talking about small talk at work.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. You've got this. Speak fluently soon. Coffee.